This tutorial, we're going to show you how to make Adobe Premiere Pro CC transition effect or effects online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to make your Adobe Premiere Pro free transitions effect. In this case, we have a couple of video clips right here that we would like to make it to a transition. Now, basically, you just want to add an adjustment layer. You go into project, you click the fourth option or icon, new item, and then click the fourth option, adjustment layer, and click OK. And as you can see, it will add, and basically what I did was I just added a cut in between one video clip to the next, and then I copied it and pasted it to the following, as you can see. Okay, the first step is to go to effects, and then under this effects folder, you want to right click. We're going to import a preset. Basically just locate where you can download my preset. I'll link the link down in the video description, and then click open. And then you want to type in transitions or transition, and under my folder or preset, Windows TV presets, click the drop down arrow, locate transitions. In this case, we're going to add a Luma fade in. So click, hold, and drag onto the adjustment layer. Or should I say this is what we have. Notice that instead of this. You can apply the same transition by just copying and then pasting the paste attributes, but we're going to add another transition and create it completely for free. Okay, so go to the next clip, and the adjustment layer, you want to click, hold down Alt on your keyboard and drag up so it duplicates, and then now go back to effects, make sure we're still under transitions, click smooth transition done, and drag this below our first adjustment layer, and notice that it created a mirror effect. Our second adjustment layer clip, you can choose to add any of these transitions: clock, anti-spin, clock spin, left to right, right to left, bottom left to right, left bottom to right. You get the point. We'll drag that on, and now we have something like this. So if you want to apply the same transitions that we just did, bottom to left, left to right, clockwise spin, anti-clockwise spin, you want to have two adjustment layers as we had, so that we have the base or the smooth transition tile or the mirror effect. So I'm going to add this in. Add it in one more time. In this case, I'm going to add an anti-clock spin, and then I'm going to add a left to right. Or should I say this is the before? And this is the after.